I got this begonia at a yard sale, and I do not know what kind it is. It is a cane begonia, I know that much. And I don't know if I can do any justice, but this leaf has like a shimmer to it. It's so cool, and it's really kind of soft and velvety feeling. Does anybody know which type of begonia it is? So I know it can't be a Rex because Rex are tuberous as far as I know. They're not a cane begonia. So if anybody knows what type this is, because I'm like seeing so many pictures where it looks similar. The leaves are kind of different too. That's a bit of like a serrated edge to them. So they're really cool looking. The new ones are sort of a reddish color. The back of the leaf is really bright red. I've had it for about almost a month now. I got it along with the pink mink. That one I was able to identify. And I was able to get this one replanted over here. That's the pink mink I got at the same time. I even took a cutting from it so I could start another one to put into a flower arrangement. And then I've got this alocasia that I got on clearance. So I repotted it hoping it would do better. And I've got it in the window here. Don't know what type of alocasia it is because it just said premium alocasia on the tag. But hey, any help is appreciated. It's bright red. It was darker red, sort of like a burgundy when I first got it, but it seems to just be fading. I don't know if it's just a winter thing or if it's stressed for some other reason, but I got it replanted in here with some other plants I got on clearance. I got this white knight on clearance, and then I just did some cuttings for this Marble Queen pothos in here. I have no idea what this is, but I repotted it into several plants because it wasn't marked. Anywho, for you plant people out there, also, I just repotted this caladium. My husband bought it in a 4-inch pot and it ended up being huge, so now I have several pots of these caladiums. So if anyone can help me identify these plants, also, hey, I almost forgot, I have this alocasia over here as well. That's pretty good size. That's the newest leaf right there. If anyone could tell me what that is, that would be cool too. Anyway, thanks in advance.